Hey, what's up, dudes? 6 months ago, I actually bought my first pair of Selvedge denim, and it's a collaboration with a store I like a lot called the Blue Owl Workshop, and I'd like to tell you about it. Let's do it. Okay, so I really do want to emphasize that this is my first ever pair of Selvedge denim jeans. So if you are a total Selvedge denim nerd, I apologize to you for me being kind of unrefined in my taste here. I'm just going to come at this from the perspective of a dude who never thought that he'd wear Selvedge denim. If you're wondering why I kind of considered myself to be one of those people, it's because I've always viewed jeans as just kind of this thing that you buy, you wear, you totally disrespect and just throw in the wash and don't really think about it, and just kind of repeat that process. In other words, they're a consumable. When I first heard of Selvedge denim, I think I was at Nordstrom, and then had later conversations with people at like Selvedge and Blue and Green. It just seemed like a weird world that never really appealed to me. I talked to people that put their jeans in the freezer instead of washing them and have all these tricks to prevent them from smelling weird that doesn't involve putting them in the normal laundry, and I just thought that was a little bit too strange for me personally. So after I bought these, and I've been wearing them for 6 months, well, I guess you could say that I get it. Let's talk about what these are. So these are a collaboration between the Blue Owl Workshop and a brand called Japan Blue, which specializes in more accessible Selvedge denim. At least that's the impression that I get from the designer information section on the Blue Owl website. These were priced at $155. I got them actually on sale, so they were a little bit less than that. So it was something like $120 or $130. I couldn't find the actual receipt in my email, but it was something like that. These are 16 ounces, so they're pretty heavy, and they started out pretty stiff. They're high tapered and a little bit more relaxed than the denim that I had been wearing, and that was by design. I kind of wanted to get something a little bit more relaxed or loose or baggy, or however you want to say it. These are sulfur dyed, and that includes the warp and the weft. They have custom engraved brass buttons and rivets, and those are pretty cool. They have indigo chambray pocket bags, and I never know if I'm saying chambray right or not. They have this cool custom branded collaborative cowhide leather patch on the back here, and that just kind of has this ominous look to it, and they are made in Japan. So like I said, they did start out pretty stiff. Been wearing them 6 months now, and they've really softened up, and I'm starting to see some really cool dark charcoal fades, and I find them really easy to wear. The thing that really sold me on these, well, I shouldn't say sold me, but the thing that made me finally pull the trigger when I was just kind of on the cusp of doing so was this blue inseam stitching. I don't know, I just think that's really cool. It's not too much, but it is a little bit weird, and it's not too weird to wear. The Blue Owl Workshop did a great job with packaging and shipping this out really quick, and I appreciate that, and I was able to snag an awesome deal. I've been wearing these a lot. I have really not been doing anything out of the ordinary as far as washing these goes. The only thing that I've been doing different as opposed to my other jeans is I've been hang drying them, but they haven't shrunk or anything like that as a result of treating them like normal jeans, and I haven't seen any bleeding out onto my other clothes and stuff like that, so that's good. In terms of ratings, I will give these a B, because I think this probably isn't for everyone. These aren't for a wide variety of people, but if I was going to recommend to somebody, hey, you know, try out these if you're interested in dipping your toes in the whole weird Selvedge world, this is probably the first brand that I would recommend. But that's all I got on this. I do have 2 other Selvedge denim reviews that are coming up in the not too distant future, so keep an eye out for them. And thanks everybody for listening. Feel free to speak your mind in the comments, and until next time, peace my dudes.